Vayigash opens with Yehuda's history-changing speech that opens the door for reconciliation between him and Yosef. This leads to a broader reconciliation that will heal the wounds of parental alienation in Yaakov's household. This reconciliation between Yehuda and Yosef will cause a chain reaction that will offer redemption to the whole world. Meanwhile, the Haftarah passage is from a period in history shortly after the destruction of the First Temple at the beginning of the Babylonian exile. Our ancestors were vulnerable to such disasters because our division with each other had spiraled so far out of control that our nation split into two. There was the northern kingdom led by Yosef's descendants Ephraim, and there was the southern kingdom led by Yehuda's descendants. By the time Yechezkel wrote his prophecy, the last of the tribes had been sent into exile. In this darkest moment, the prophet envisions a path to redemption. The same brothers, Yehuda and Yosef, who reconcile with each other on a personal level in this week's Torah portion, give us a pattern for their descendants to reconcile with each other on a national level. This national unity is the key to national redemption. As interesting as this is, what does it have to do with parental alienation? Yechezkel draws on reconciliation between Yehuda and Yosef as key to national redemption. We saw in the Torah portion how reconciliation between these two brothers also healed parental alienation. Yosef clearly had a previously loving relationship with his father, yet he didn't bother to try to reunite with him during the 7 years when Yosef was the second most powerful man in the world. That shows us how parental alienation can psychologically paralyze even the most powerful people in the world. This reconciliation between Yehuda and Yosef can release those who are paralyzed by parental alienation. Yechezkel promises us that this even has the power to heal parental alienation between the Heavenly Father and his earthly children. Verses 26 through 28 state, "And I will set for them a covenant of peace, an everlasting covenant shall be for them. They are established, and I will multiply them, and I will put my sanctuary in their midst forever. And my Mishkan shall be over them, and I will be for them a God, and they shall be to me as a people. And the nations shall know that I am the Lord, who sanctifies Israel when my sanctuary is in their midst forever." If you share our vision to bring parental alienation into a mainstream discussion, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm, and it doesn't cost you anything. Also, I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Do you agree or disagree that this week's Haftarah passage links reunification of broken homes with national redemption? How do you think we should initiate such a process? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Shalom from Jerusalem.